Program of conditional if statement. It needs to display the student's name, prelim grade, and obtain letter grade. So first things first, we must input the hashtag include iostream and using namespace std. Because the iostream and using namespace std is the preprocessor to include header files in the program and use names for objects and variables from the standard library. After we input them, input the int main and the parentheses, also the semicolon. So now, we are going to code the student's name. In this code, we need to input the data type of char, and the value of name in the line of 8 is 50. Next is input the cout binary left shift operator and the word for the student who will input their name. And now, we are going to introduce the input R and PE, then cout and cin, so that it will display the average of all the requirements given in prelim and your exam prelim grade. Also, the int is for the function that needs to return some integer at the end of the execution, and we do so by returning 0 at the end of the program. After that, introduce again the int, but we are going to add the operator of multiplication in R and PE to not be a raw score. Now, input the string and the letter grade. The string is a variable that stores a sequence of letters or other characters like the line of 25 and 33. Because at first, I thought it might work if I use char again, but when I do some research, the string is much better to use in this kind of program. After inputting the string and the letter grade, it is time to encode the if and else if statement. From the line of 22, you will see that the prelim grade is less than 0 and the other is greater than 100, because it will show all the possibilities from 0 to 100 of the student's preliminary grades and the obtained letter grade. From the line 30 and 33, it shows that the possibility of 97 to 100 and the obtained letter grade is A excellent, just like the other lines. Now that you input them, you can copy it and paste it until you reach the 0 no grade. But while copying and paste, you need to change every prelim grade value from less than and greater than also for the letter grade. Once you finish or once you reach the 0 no grade, you are going to use the else to specify a block of code to be executed. So, encode again the cout and the other possibility that if the student input a wrong number or value, it will show that you entered the wrong value. After that, introduce again the cout for student's name, prelim grade, and the obtained grade to show at the new line their name, prelim grade, and obtained letter grade. Lastly, input the return 0 to end the program if you finish the encoding. After you finish encoding, you can compile it. After you compile the program, it will show the enter your full name. Example. And you will see the enter the average of all the requirements given in the prelim. Just like this, 96, and it will show the enter your prelim exam grade. I'll put the number 89. See, it will show the student name, the prelim grade of 93, and the obtained letter grade A minus superior.